In this video we are going to give you some tips on making your own natural skincare products. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you will know when we publish a new video. There's no reason why you can't make your own natural skincare products that are as good as or maybe even better than the products you purchase from the pharmacy or retailer. As a matter of fact, you probably have many of the ingredients needed already in your kitchen pantry. There is typically no right way or wrong way to make natural skincare products. You simply need to understand how those few basic ingredients affect your skin and what they're used for, and you're on your way. Most natural skincare products contain honey, which is a great natural moisturizer. You can add this to most other ingredients to make a mask or facial scrub. Sometimes it also helps to warm the honey for a minute or so in the microwave so that it's runny. You want to be sure that it's not too warm, of course. Oatmeal is another common ingredient in most natural skincare products since it contains natural cleansers and also gently exfoliates the skin. The most basic homemade facial mask you can make involves combining honey and oatmeal together to form a paste and then applying this to your skin. After waiting a good 10 minutes, you use damp fingers to gently rub it into your face and then rinse it off with a warm wet cloth. A raw egg is also a common ingredient in many DIY skincare products because eggs are very high in vitamin A, something imperative to healthy skin. Some use a beaten egg just by itself as a mask, or you can add it to other ingredients as well. Some good moisturizing agents you can add to your skincare products include avocado and olive oil, as well as plain yogurt, not non-fat and not flavored. All are very high in natural oils and emollients which are easily absorbed into the skin and which leave the skin feeling soft and supple. Cucumbers have long been used as an anti-inflammatory, meaning that they reduce swelling, so they're good for skin that's red and irritated. A good exfoliating agent in many natural skincare products is brown sugar. So how do you make up your own natural products with these ingredients? You first need to think about your own skin's needs. If you have dry skin, you need the moisturizing ingredients more than anything. If you have flaky skin, you need the exfoliating agents. But don't use too much of any one ingredient. Be sure you have some type of base such as oatmeal that you can use for a paste. And even though these are natural skincare products, you don't want to leave them on your face for too long or rub them in too vigorously. Use a warm cloth to get everything off your face, and do so very gently. And you might want to rinse everything over your kitchen sink's garbage disposal, since oatmeal and honey may not actually go down your bathroom sink. Try some different combinations and you're sure to find a mask you love. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you liked this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up.